Never looked at you the way I did tonight. And now your face, your lips, your eyes, you're stuck inside my head. The thought of me and you together, I wish it lasts forever. Why am I here and not with you instead? I don't wanna mess this up, but you are all I'm thinking of. Maybe I should stay, maybe I should go, maybe I should just leave this alone. And if this isn't right, I'm okay with being wrong, 'cause I don't wanna miss you when you're gone. We could be perfect or just a disaster. We could be in love and never fight. We could be sad or happy ever after. It could be us instead of you and I. Maybe we should try. Standing here outside your door, is this what you've been waiting for? Oh, will you even let me come inside? I come up with the lame excuse I'm hoping I don't have to use, and here it goes, I'll only knock one time.